so first up for this morning, like always, it's Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency. Next up will then be Ethereum, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're down almost 3% for the morning. I did an update on this yesterday. Let me first go over the support and resistance lines for our new viewers, and then we'll go into the candlesticks, okay? So this top line represents a major resistance. You can see we had trouble breaking past this area over here, and back here we have this double top, okay? And then down here is our major level of support, and you can see that we bounced from here, and from here, and ultimately from here. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys, and this middle line is our minor resistance and support line, which we are testing right now, like I said we would yesterday. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So right now we're down almost 2 to 3%. It's fluctuating in between. So let me go ahead and zoom in, and yes, we are on the daily interval. We always start from a higher time frame. This allows us to see the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. All right, so I said that if we wanted to start correcting and creating this upward trend, we would have to break past this minor resistance to come up and come back down and retest it as a support, okay? But as you can see, that once we tested this resistance, that it actually came up, you can see the wick right here, and got pushed back underneath this minor resistance. So what that says is that relative strength is not really there. With us being below this trend line, yes, we that would consider us still in a downtrend. However, this last candlestick is kind of in between. It's not really below or above. However, we are underneath this resistance, and it's having trouble breaking past this level, okay? So two things may happen, you guys. More than likely, we are going to be pulling back. I would keep a close eye on this and see if this forms a bottoming tail. If this forms a bottoming tail, more than likely, we're going to start pulling back down to the 26 cents, which would make that a great ideal entry. And on top of that, you can get this a lot cheaper. So I don't really see that as an issue, you guys. Just because we're pulling back doesn't mean we're going to go to zero, okay? However, we need to always look for the best ideal entries and not just jump into something out of pure FOMO. FOMO will end up blowing up your account, you guys. So that's why we always use money management. We use stop loss and all this other good stuff, okay? So as of right now, patiently, you should be waiting for this to pull back down to the 26 cent area. And for whatever reason, if we do end up breaking back above the 34 cent area, then we want to keep a close eye and see what happens. If we can come up and come back down and retest that 34 cent area, this would make a great ideal entry. You would have your stop loss underneath this candlestick right here at the 31 cent or at the 28 cent. So that is up to you on depending on how much you are planning on risking. However, your first target should be back up here at the 40 cents. If we do break above the 34 cents, your 40 cent area would be your first target, you guys. And obviously your second target would be back at the previous highest point, and that is at the 74 cent, you guys. So I just wanted to make this video really fast, short, and simple, and efficiently. And if I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. So as of right now, like I said, just be patient, you guys. Let's see if we have a clear direction of this reversal, okay? So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading, and stay tuned for my other videos this morning.